the first time I came to America. My family and I are sponsored by my aunt to go to America for nearly 13 years. It's been a long time, and I don't think I'll someday leave my home country and go to a new country to live. When I came to the United States, I left my friends in Vietnam and my relatives there. They were sad to hear that I was leaving, and I didn't forget the feeling at that time. My classmates had a small farewell party for me. The happiest moment of my life is when I came to America with my family. This was my dream country when I was young, and now it is true. I was safe with my parents when I came here to a new and modern country. The saddest moment in my life is I have left my friends in Vietnam, and I have not finished grade 12 because year 12 was my final high school class, but I missed it going to America. The most influential person in my life is my mother. Because my mother taught me many things in life, such as how to treat people, my mother taught me to cook and take care of people well. I want to be like my mother later. The thing I'm most afraid of right now is that I'm afraid to leave my relatives one more time. Because I'm afraid of feeling alone and have to live away from the people I love. So I just feel happy to be near my family and my loved ones, and I'm afraid to leave them. I want everyone to know and understand that I'm a rather timid person in a crowd. I usually get quite quiet when talking to someone. Only my longtime friends know me the most. I quite like cooking. I go online and learn about how to make new foods. I want to share the story with my family, and I went to America and encountered some difficulties. It's me and my parents are not good at English, and we were surprised to see the streets here are so wide and the same. We had some difficulties in accommodation and employment, but after a few months, my family was temporarily okay.